1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Hello again. In this lesson we're going to look at how I play the old Irish song The Dying Rebel. This song takes us back to a sad setting in Dublin during the 1916 Rising, and it's the latest song in my series on ballads and folk songs popular in Ireland. Now, I'm playing this song in the key of D. We just have the three major chords from the D major scale, and they are D major and G major. Play this with a 4-finger fretting chord or just a 3-finger, whichever you're more comfortable with, and A major. And we also have the A7 chord. I'm playing the song in 3/4 time, and the strum pattern I'm using, it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and. So the and are up strums. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1. Now be careful when you're playing this D chord that you don't ring out the 6th string, because that's not part of the chord. You need to mute it with your thumb maybe, or just concentrate especially on the 4 strings, the lower treble strings. For the G chord, same thing. And for the A chord, obviously the same. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and down, down, up, down, up, down. And for A7. Now, a good way to practice this drum pattern is to set a metronome, and at 3/4 time I'm playing this at 170, 170. So pick a lower number and strum along. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and. And forget about the chords maybe, even if you wish, and just mute the strings. And then build it up until you get up to a speed of 170. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more lessons on ballads and folk songs popular in Ireland and other popular songs, head over to my website, getcrackingguitar.com. The link is in the description below. You can also download lyric sheets with chords on the website.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.